We are 2 weeks away from the Festival of Lights. Basketball is underway, soccer kickoff, and we have a Yay for the Day all coming up next on the Panther Morning News.
A very cold good morning, St. Mary's. I'm Jacob.
And I'm Colin. And we begin this Friday morning with Student Life News. It's December, and it's getting time for the annual Festival of Lights celebration. Let's over to our CCAT team in Studio B to get an update.
Hey Panthers, it's Maya from CCAT, and I'm here to tell you about the Festival of Lights CCAT is hosting on Thursday, December 15th. We're looking for people to help run booths, so if you're interested in sharing your culture's wintertime celebration, email Mr. Riccardi or Miss Sakowitz, or come to Mr. Riccardi's room, Frady's 323, on Tuesday at A Block. Hope to see you next week.
And remember, over the weekend, please pick up gift cards for Target and Walmart in $25 increments and give them to Miss McCormick. Oh. Yeah.
Calling all dancers, there will be an open audition for a new contemporary dance piece with Miss Paulson for the upcoming Student Choreographer Showcase next Thursday, December 8th during A Block in the auditorium.
And so we won't have a brawl over in Studio B later. Let's head back over to Studio B with Rainey over with Yay for the Day.
My name is Rainey, and this is the Yay for the Day. The Greek island of Tylos has gotten rid of their landfill and replaced it with a circular system that has reduced total waste by 86%. After being implemented this May, the island of around 750 inhabitants quickly saw progress after they transformed the landfill into a recycling center and removed the large public common bins for trash. Set up by Polygreen, the Just Go Zero movement initiative is hoping to steer other Greek islands towards similar programs. All biodegradable waste is turned into soil treatments, while plastic, metal, glass, and paper are all recycled. For non-recyclable goods, there is an upcycle center for still working, as well as for electronics and clothes, either for reuse by someone else or for artistic creations. Each resident is given a series of bags in which to separate the material, and like most World Waste Collection, a truck arrives in front of your house on certain days to retrieve it and take it to the processing center. The Just Go Zero app allows residents to track how much material they've recycled and learn more about what products and projects it's going towards. Have a great day, everyone. Now back to announcements.
Thank you, Rainey. And in club news, the game club will meet today after school in the library. And we're going to send it over to Devin now with our Panther Athletics.
Attention football players, today is the deadline to clean out all of your gear from the locker room. And later today, the JV boys basketball plays Terra Nova in the South City tournament. They have a 1:45 p.m. early dismissal. The girls varsity soccer team takes to the pitch this afternoon in their home opener against SPSV. It should be dry, so come out and support the team. The Frosh boys basketball goes up against St. Ignatius in the Alameda Frosh tournament. And later, the Panthers girls basketball team plays Granada High School in the second round over in the Carondelet tourney. They have a 2:15 p.m. early dismissal. Now back to Colin and Jacob.
Thanks, Devin, and a very happy weekend to Anthony Nakamura,
Alexander Raponi,
Miss Tansy,
and over the weekend to Charlotte Davis,
Blair Moore,
and Miles Sandifer.
Happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish you happy birthday so we can party today.
And over in the Shea Cafe, it's Pizza Friday. That's it for today. We are live streaming our open house on Sunday right here on the St. Mary's YouTube channel. Spread the news to your middle school friends.
And have a fabulous weekend, St. Mary's.